just got back from Home Depot with the hardwood. That is roasted pine hardwood. So anyway, got 43 cases of it, 50 pounds per case, and I'm all by myself. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, I managed to get the flooring in the house, and so I'm gonna let that sit for, it's probably gonna be at least a week before I'm able to get to that flooring. One of the other obstacles I have is that's the rest of the wall covering for the lofts. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that first for obvious reasons. It's gotta be done. And secondly, I can't do the flooring until I get rid of that. So that's a pretty good, those are two pretty good reasons to go ahead and finish the loft areas up first. So I don't think that we have had actually too much video on this series of actual work being done. And I'm gonna try to do that in the future. So, my son from Michigan has come down and is helping us a great deal. We really appreciate that. It really helps. It might be in there. What?
Good job! Look at you! Oh my goodness! You're driving the tractor! Turn the wheel!
Work to stand! Should be able to drive that gun in 5 minutes.
Okay, a little bit of an update of where we are. This is the loft, one of the lofts. We have two just alike. So this one is 97% complete. We have two sections above head there to complete on this side. And then the same thing over there. Down below is what wall covering we have remaining. So I have estimated that I am going to be slightly short on lumber yet again. I'm gonna have to go buy more lumber. So, anyway, here we are. This is a 12 by 16 in case you're wondering. 12 by 16 loft, both loft areas are 12 by 16. And if you add up all of the square footage, including the lofts in this house, this is right at 1,500 square feet. Now, so notice a lot of plug-ins. One of the things that G made clear is that she did not want to be short on plug-ins. One of the things that we seemingly have always had an issue with, and the other houses that we've owned is there just seems to always be a shortage of plug-ins. So this time, since we are building this house ourselves, we made it a point to ensure that we are not going to be short on plug-ins, okay? We put in more lighting, some ceiling fans. That is a 30-inch ceiling fan for the master bedroom. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which switch operates it right now. There we go. We also got the lighting put up on the outside of the garage. So that lighting matches the outside lighting for the house. And G did an excellent job, if I say so myself, at picking that lighting out. Now, below the lights on the garage is going to be kind of a mantle of sorts. I don't know what it's called, but it's going to be an accent piece, wood, solid wood, stained piece to match the front porch color. And so that's gonna fill that empty space there. But that gives us the farm look and feel that G was wanting, and we're really pleased with this lighting, by the way. Really pleased.